Hello guys, welcome back to my System Software and Compiler series. This time we are going to be working in Unix. Uh, we are going to use a lexical compiler to compile a lexical program, then a GCC program to give us object code, and finally we'll be viewing the output from which is given by the GCC compiler. So I've written a program. So this is my lexical program. So you could see here I initialized a few variables like id count, op count, key count, integers, and punctuation. These are my counter variables for the respective keyword for the respective tokens. Then I defined digits, letters, and then return types, operators, function, and punctuations. Mm, then what I've done is uh, if anything belongs to this type, this int, character, bool, float, void, for, do, while, if, else, return, and void. If any keyword belongs to this type, then it will print that it is a keyword. It will print the keyword, and this YY text stores the current keyword. Then it will increment the key count, which is a counter for the respective keyword. Next, we have a variable which can start with a character, either small or caps, and then it can be followed by any number of characters or digits. Then I would increment the ID counter because it's an identifier, and I would print YY text which stores the current keyword. So I've done the same for punctuations, operators, and numbers. In my main program, first I'm opening the file prog.txt. This my my input would be given through this file. Uh, then after opening the file, I'll use the lexical analyzer. I will call the lexical analyzer to uh, to do all the stuff that I've defined here. And then finally I will print the number of operators, keywords, integers, and punctuations. So this is a lexical program. I'll show you the input file now. As you can see here, this is my input file. It has two lines of code, int a, b, c, and then next line is c is equal to a plus b into 29. So first we'll call the lexical compiler. Then the output of this will be stored in a C program file. So we'll call the C compiler. This is the name of the C program file that will be generated, lex.yy, and the extension will be .c. Now to run the object code, we have to do .a slash dot out. It's actually dot slash a dot out. So we got output. It says id a punctuation comma, id b punctuation comma, and so on. And finally we have the count of all the variables of all the keywords in Perl. So this lexical program works well. Thanks for watching.